Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Crimping tool. Crimping tool kit with stripper and cutter. Adjustable ratchet mechanism, total crimping range: 0.5 to 35 square millimeters. Designed according to human factors engineering. Multifunction wire stripper and cutter tool for stripping, cutting wire AWG 2210 0.6 to 2.6 square millimeters. Applicable to most types of non-insulated, uninsulated terminals and connectors. Special steel-made crimper with 5 interchangeable die, 1 screwdriver opening parenthesis 6 10mm closing parenthesis, 1 Oxford bag.
Number 4.
Titan tools. Ratcheting mechanism designed with adjustable crimping compression. Comfortable grip and strong steel jaw with color-coded wire sizes. Red, 2218 Ogden 0.5 to 1.0 millimeters. Blue, 1614 Ogden 1.5 to 2.5 millimeters. Yellow, 1210 Ogden 4 to 6 millimeters.
Number 3.
Steel crimping tool kit ratchet. Package content: this crimping tool kit includes a terminal crimper, professional crimp tool, adjustable ratchet mechanism allows wide crimping range. This wire terminal crimper comes with 5 interchangeable dies. Labor-saving design. The handle is made of soft rubber and designed easy carry and store. The ratchet crimping tool is packed in a durable Oxford fabric.
Number 2.
Crimping tool for heat shrink connectors. Professional crimping tool. This hand crimper has efficient, precise ratcheting mechanism. Wire connectors are crimped by squeezing the handle. Adjustable crimping force. The tool has a star wheel that allows ergonomic comfortable handles. The ergonomic, cushioned, non-slippery handles. Lifetime warranty. Wi-Fi stands behind the quality of our products. Number 2. Astro 9477 Professional C-jaw, open barrel terminals, for AWG-20. F-jaw, insulated cordon terminals, huge AWG, for AWG 10/8/6 then 6/10/16 square millimeter. Time-saving tools allows faster crimping of terminals and wire. ergonomically designed steel frame handles with contoured rubber grips. AWG 2018-16-14 -10 in 0.51.01.52. 5 ports to 6 square millimeters, D-jaw.